Alright guys, well this is one of the perks of doing the type of job I do. Sorry, the other person's not with me. I guess he's homesick. Get well soon, brother. We may see you tonight for dinner. But, as y'all can see, old Roscoe. And I gotta tell y'all, seeing this truck in person, it is no lie when Jude says this truck is stacked. I mean, look at the ceiling on this thing. Golly. All his
This is barely full.
all his torque wrenches and stuff like that. Golly. Look at the knife board. Snap-on green, snap-on orange, snap-on red, and it's all the Kershaw. He's got all his ratchets. I mean, it can't get much better than this. It really can't get much better than this. Well, maybe in the future. You never know. I can't say anything. Maybe in the future. I'll wear them. I'll wear summer hats. But guys, this truck is stacked. Y'all can get a hold of Roscoe on Instagram and stuff like that. Instagram. I'll let him. I'll get all his information and post it in the description link down below if y'all want to get a hold of him. But this is one of my Snap-on guys. One of my main ones that I go to. I know I don't live in his area, but he does help me out and hook me up. I met Roscoe through Power Stroke Jude. I'll put his link down in the description below. He's got the brake caliper presses. Those are really nice. I am in the market for one of these, so that might be happening today.
Harry? Yeah. Really? Yeah. I love Harry, man. Oh, really? I'm there on Mondays. He was telling me.
I mean, wow. Got this little kit up right here. What is this? The new Triton D10. Wow. Apollo D9. He's got the roll carts. Get the work tables.
I have a roll cart there.
Little stools.
And then I put those tables there. I have timing lights. People still buy timing lights. I had it there.
I mean, look at this.
Oh, you're gonna like this one.
Look at this. This is how a truck is supposed to look. Nice and neat. Everything in its right order. You got the standard sockets down here.
I actually have an app for this.
It's kind of light.
What's his favorite color?
Extension sockets, snap-on. Let's see what this is. I think this is the impact drawer. Yep, this is the impact drawer. Guys, you gotta realize the truck might be a little bit messy, but he just got done on a Friday out here in California. He makes his money. Put it that way. So if y'all need anything, get a hold of him
Yeah,
and he'll hook you up.
yeah.
He got these the new Snap-on equipment tool and hand cleaner towels.
Is it by across the street from Ford?
They're 9.5 inches wide. He not only has the big ones, but he has the smaller Formula 1920 steel wipes. Removes oil, dirt, metal shavings,
Yeah, these two are snakes.
and other contaminants.
Oh.
Helps prevent corrosion. Look at that. This goes in the battery line. Nice little Snap-on light.
But yeah, there's his cemetery went to. Took pictures cemetery.
All his pry bars and stuff like that. Indenting pry bars. But guys, that is going to be it for this one. We'll look around some more, a little bit more, get some stuff. We'll stay tuned for our future video on that. But Roscoe, I sure do thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry, like I've just been so busy. I was like, I'll call you back. Hold on. I don't want to lose you.
Watch us.
Uh-oh. Look at that. Now that right
And it
there,
closes.
That's a nice doggy bowl.
that's a
Doggy
game
bowl.
changer. That could be turned into a doggy bowl or whatever
Like a
your
side
heart
bowl
can
or
imagine. And it's
Either
magnetized.
side collapses down to
Wow. How much does that set? But nonetheless, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I'll make sure to drop his Instagram page down in the description below so you can get a hold of him if you need anything.
Thank you, Dewey.
Make sure you give him time to get back to you.
Yes, I do. I'm not rude, okay? I'm not rude. I'm just really busy.
He is
Texting's the best way.
He is a very, very busy guy. So just give him a little time. He'll get back to you, I promise you. But nonetheless, they'll keep those wheels spinning, beavers grinning, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.